Hi, my name's Simon from Motodrome. Now today we're going to take a walk around and a drive of this 1968 Morris Traveller that you can see here behind me. Two videos, one walk around, one driving, plus a bit of engine starting and idling action at the end. Hope you like them. Okay, let's take this 1968 Morris Traveller for a spin. Showing, say, 72,000 miles. Can't tell if that's original or not. Especially since it's got a white speedo in it rather than the black speedo face. Don't know. All light, ignition light come up as they should. Starts nicely. Starts well hot or cold. Obviously needs a little bit of choke when it's cold, but performs the way it should. This one's just had a fortune spent, I say just, probably over the past 2 years. Haven't been through the history yet, but it's an awful lot of money spent on it, on its restoration. It's a labour of love. And it's rather lovely, certainly really charming, and drives really well. Nice engine, no signs of any misfiring, hesitancy or overheating. Gearbox feels fantastic. I think it's had a rebuilt gearbox because it really is good on this one. Again, when I check the history, I'll be able to tell you. And it just trundles down the road quite happily. It's got a pancake air filter on it, which I'm not a fan of, but which does give you a bit more induction noise than you would normally get. But aside from that, apart from the inertia real seat belts, it's pretty standard. Steers nicely, tracks nicely, not having to sort of guide it down the road to stop it going where it wants, if you like. It's going where it's placed, and it rides really well too. It's very, very rattle free. If you can hear any rattles, it's from the camera mount itself, not from the vehicle. It's actually really good from that point of view, especially the way it copes with bumps. Feels willing and eager. And ready for some more new adventures, I think. I really like it. Instrument wise, you haven't got a lot of speedo and fuel gauge, but that's normal on one of these. Well, I'm really impressed with the way it drives. It's very good indeed. Under 50 miles an hour, and it's just trundling along quite happily. No death wobble through the steering wheel or anything. Just getting on with the job. noises from the braking system. Say gearbox, the synchros are perfect on second gear. There we have it. I'm really quite impressed. I think it's really good. Yeah. So my name's Simon. You can reach me in the office on 0118 907 1495. We can go to our website, which is www.moto-drome.com for any more info. Okay, quick video of start up and idling on this Morris Traveller. Say all light ignition light up as they should, and starts smartly. Obviously it's warm now, but it starts fine from cold with a bit of choke. And then there's its little A series engine, just chuntering away. So it's got a pancake air filter on it, which I'm not much of a fan of, but it's quite nice on the bonnet. There we have it.